Comedian Jerry Seinfeld joked that because public speaking ranked higher than death on a survey, most would choose death over speaking in public. I'm Lorraine Ranalli. After decades of communicating from behind a microphone in the comforts of a confined broadcast booth, I entered the speaking circuit. Like so many, the challenge of addressing a live audience was a bit frightening. I was a little bit freaked out, so I embraced it, and I embarked on a lifelong pursuit of learning the art and science of speaking in public. Public speaking provides all of us an opportunity to make a direct personal impact, to connect directly with individuals, many individuals at one time. So why not embrace it? Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, my Speaking for Success program, little plug, will help up your game. We'll work on increasing your confidence, exuding credibility, and speaking with conviction. Here are 5 tips that'll help get you started. If fear is gripping you, think about the self-talk. What's the chatterbox in your head saying? Is it negative? Make it positive. Think about the law of attraction. So if you're worried that you might forget some of your material, instead of saying, I'm worried I'm going to forget, keep telling yourself, I know my material. I'm a subject matter expert. I can do this. You have to get in the habit of talking to yourself in a positive nature. Another tip, prepare and practice. Too often I see people that think they know it so well they can wing it. Winging it is never an option. You need to prepare every step of the speaking process, of the presentation process, from the beginning to the middle to the end, but start with the middle, then go back to the beginning, and never go on to stage without preparing your closing remarks. Another tip, check your expectations. 100% audience buy-in is not going to happen, so don't even go for that. Go for 100% respect. That's more important. And don't make assumptions about your audience. Learn a lot about your audience as much as you possibly can. Do your homework so that you can speak directly to them and appeal to them. And finally, not finally, but a 5th tip for this video, you are the presentation, not your PowerPoint. No disrespect to Microsoft. Great how they marketed that program, but Microsoft PowerPoint is simply a visual aid. You're the presentation. Nobody's coming out to read a bunch of slides or watch you stand off to the side while there's a little show going on a screen. So make sure you prepare your presentation without the PowerPoint, then bring it in for the visual aid. I have hundreds more tips, and you can find them in my little book of tips. It's called Impact, all right? Deliver effective, meaningful, and memorable presentations. This will help you whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. And you can always contact me to discuss personal coaching or bring me in to do my little Speaking for Success for your entire organization. Ciao.